on a date. Kinda nervous.
A woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. We keep receiving blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa. It's your girl.
Hey guys, it is Saturday, a new vlog. Anyway, I am off today and I am making breakfast. But I just want to come in and start off the vlog. I don't know what today may bring. What? Yeah, I'm just start off the vlog. Outside is white. Yeah, outside is white. And as I said, I'm making breakfast for me and my roommate. She don't know what she eat, liver, but she gotta eat it today now. She gotta eat it today. Anyway, before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell another friend to come over here and subscribe. Yeah, so I'm just making liver and fritters. I was gonna do fried dumpling, but that's not too much work. So I'm gonna do some self-care today. Maybe I'll do a foot because a long time I need to do my foot. And I don't know what else I got after that.
Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me. And they can't replicate this unity. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better. But you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. I'll go anywhere, anywhere. Just as long as you with me.
No, me I try to be productive today. Today is Saturday. We're not going to sit around. My roommate just gone. And this is a mess. My fault still. But yeah, as I said, gonna be a little bit productive, especially get some content, because the last 2 weeks, hold on, the last 2 weeks I don't really like it. So right now I'm going to make a video for V-La-Nessa. Yay, a video for V-La-Nessa, because it's been a month and more, and we cannot do that, right? Yeah, we can't do that. I think it's more than a month though. It's going to 2 months. So I'm gonna make a video for that, but before that I'm just gonna get a little bit of content in right now. So I have some packages from Shein and Amazon, and I'm going to unpack that and tidy up the place and then do the thing for V-La-Nessa. So right now I'm charging the camera, my tablet, and all those stuff, because that's what I'm gonna use. But before that, let me just review these packages for you. I really need to get one of those cutting thing instead of using these because it looks so ghetto, you know, but it is whatever. So as I said before, I bought some stuff on Amazon and on Shein, and last week you would have seen the shoes that I bought. I actually bought 3 shoes. I think this is from Amazon, so Amazon fulfillment service. Yeah, so I'm going to pull this and let's just see what I buy. Remember last week? Hey, everything connected to last week. So if you don't watch last week's video, you need to go back and watch last week's video, right? So last week I was talking about oh, I was doing my hair and so forth, and I told you that I bought something, and this is it, right? So this I bought back another one. Girls, this, if you want your man fall in love, buy one of this. Listen to me now. Them need to, guys, can somebody just like crop out a video and just tag them in it and make them know so them need to sponsor me, because we had a free endorsement for them, you know. They can sponsor me and send me products and so forth. When I feel they can do that, don't. Yeah man, them can do that. This is my second one and I will always buy it. And I think it was a TikTok I saw, and I saw that a man bought it and the man didn't buy it up because I say, oh, they want to know how the lady smells so good. This is a secret. Yeah. And I actually wore it one day when I went out with Ashley, and she said, it smells like something we can eat. It smells really good. And then I have the bonnet that I told you that I bought before and I don't know it there, so I'm going to buy back 2 more. But they cut once then. So this is supposed to hold all of this, because whenever I'm working, yeah, I need something to hold it tight. So I'm just gonna put this in my bag, and when I'm sleeping I have something to keep my hair. Yeah, so that's what I did. Now on to the next. I bought one of these shoes already and I have to buy it back because when if it's somebody yard, and in order for me if you go fit I then if you bring it back, might as well buy it back. So I bought it back, and this is like for like date nights and so forth. So it's a a thigh-high boots. Yeah, and it has like a big heel so you can walk along in it. And this is a size 7, and I bought it the first time, and yeah, I bought it back. It's a really good material, and I bought this one now from Shein. The first one that I bought was from Amazon, and I looked at Shein and it's practically the same one, so I just buy it at a cheaper rate, you know, because the Amazon price was not pricing. This is a whole lot, and I don't remember everything else that's in there. And I told you about 3 shoes, 3 winter kind of shoes ish. So this is another one. So I have a grey one that I wear for work, and then I bought a black one the other day that I said that is just like if I want to go run on it, because like if you wear my sneakers them it don't make no sense, because if you see what I do now, pure snow. So this one now, it's like a grey, bluish blue. Yeah, so I can wear this with jeans and so forth. Like look on this, this look really good, and it's very soft. Well, not really soft. Oh yeah, it is. It's not fully soft like comfort, but you can feel the softness like it padded. But it's really very warm and light. That's good. So I can dress this up with the jeans and so forth. So that's that. And what else did I buy? So I bought this like tights stocking thing because I wanted to give me the illusion that I'm not wearing any, like, it's supposed to match my skin, if you realize. So whenever I wear it, you see that it kind of look like my skin, like I'm just wearing black stocking over my skin, but it's actually very thick. So I'm gonna wear this with a skirt, and then down here is very thin, so it's like it's not going to be too thick for your shoes, so it's not going to. But yeah, I bought this because I have a little idea in my head, you know. I have a little idea in my head with the booty and that. Yeah, I can't wait to go out now. Like, I want somebody to invite me out. Yeah, invite me out. Invite me out. And I bought this skirt. Hopefully it can fit. Like, when you see the picture now, right? When you catch the picture now, right? When you catch the picture, right? When you catch the picture. Oh. Yeah. So this is the little skirt. And I think this is a size large. And I hope it can fit. I don't want anything too tight, so that's why I bought large. So when you catch it though, when you catch the vibes. And then I don't know what this is because I bought it a long time ago. Oh yeah, and this is like a turtleneck. So this and that, stocking and the booty. You get that, you get that, you get that, you get the vibes, you get it? And this is a size large, I think, too. Because the look that I want, I don't want it too tight. Like, I don't want anything too tight. Yeah, this is a large, and it's thin, so I can wear my thermal suit underneath, like the top underneath this, and it have a little gathering here. See it? You catch the vibes? You catch the vibes? Alright, so what else? And then this now, because I have some clothes that I don't want to wear a bra with, and I feel like these are more fitting, so I can just wear this underneath my clothes. So I used to have it and I really like it, and it kind of supports your bra. Yeah, but I feel like I don't know if my breast can hold this, but it's stretchy. Stretchy, so it comes with what I think two black, two like nude color and a gray, so that's good. And then I got this because I saw my roommate with hers and me get bad mind and jealousy and covetous, so I buy one for myself. Yeah, it's like a phone holder, so if you're sitting down or so forth, or you're on the kind of stress a phone here, fair one really nice. It's on kind of cheapish, but you know, she ain't cheap. I think I $1 for it. You can do the job, you understand? So just hold it back over. Yeah, so just hold your phone. And then we only have 2 left. Okay, so this is like a jeans top. So I bought it like to go with my jeans, my army camouflage pants. Yeah, I have two likes I can wear it with it. So I bought this, and it's like a crop top kind of vibes. And you catch your vibes? You catch your vibes? Yeah, you catch your vibes. Yeah, and then this now, this one my closet to hang on the wall, because on the door I mean, because the box thing that I bought, I want to put more clothes in there than like products and so forth. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hang this on my door and then put the stuff in here so I can have more space down there so I can put clothes, because I need more space for clothes. And guys, at 3 months me having them, I don't know why I do all this, but my life will be comfortable. So I'm just gonna do this right now. So yeah, so you want to me show now. So this is how it looks. Alright, so basically what I'm going to do is like put stuff in here, and that's what, so I can have more space down there. So yeah. On the same base, yeah, I'm great. Guys, listen, I'm just putting anything in there right now, so don't come for me, okay? Just trying to show you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to clear out all of that so I can put more clothes in there. So that's basically how it looks. And yeah, so when we do all of that, make sure the finished product, all of that. I'm not gonna bore you doing all of that. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean up and then get into the store with Nessa. The batteries are charging. Like this only have 2, so you still need to charge. My camera battery is fully charged, so I'm just gonna clean up. So let me just show you like how the place look and how we need to clean up. So let's get cleaning. So what we gon' do? Dirty little secret, sure. Keep it in the sheets with us. When we make it rain in the bedroom. When we make it rain in the bedroom. I'm a main squeeze, don't get it twisted. There's a problem, we gonna fix it. This ain't the type of thing you lose, so let's keep on doing what we do. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line like a champion. Driving me wild, giddy up like a stallion. Saddle up and ride you, we crossing the line, we some champions. So guys, I'm just gonna finish up and then show you the after, because I need to get those stuff away. I need to pack up these stuff, plus I need to set up the camera and all those stuff. So I'll catch up back in the next clip, and I need to throw out the stuff. So when I go outside with you, because outside it's snowing, yo, and it's like so I'm gonna carry you outside. All right, I think you understand how outside I go on. So I gotta just run out the door and see if it look better on my phone, because outside I look there like, what is this? Like, what is this? What is this? Oh, look at that. Yes. It have to take time because it would slide. Yo, it's crazy outside. So right now you're in my pocket too. I don't know how that look right now, but we're gonna go outside, okay? Just put on the same song. I know I'm gonna make the video for sorry this necessary, you know, and we're not changing anything. Maybe I change my maybe, just maybe. But we're gonna go outside, okay?
I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's it? But you saw when you feel there's something wrong with your brain. 'Cause every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like who hurt you. I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's it feel like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding my business, but you're so in your feels. There's something wrong with your brain. 'Cause every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah. You like my so boring.
Guys, outside was outsiding. Outside was outsiding. No man, I first never see it. So anyway, this pocket tour gave me a run for my money. So just gonna continue on the phone. So the later, just the one carry it outside to show you how outside look. Me I get 40 now because this morning I get up and make about fritters and liver, and then my roommate get up and make soup. I'm gonna drink soup already, you know. I'm gonna eat that, and then Ashley now bring fried chicken and what's the curry pork. I never eat curry pork before, but I'm gonna eat it right now because one thing with me, I don't like in time fried chicken cold, so I'm gonna eat it. And the rice looks so shelly. Look, yeah, I can't cook, man. Tastes good. I don't know. Tastes good. Actually, you put your foot in it, man. I just like they use Lasco instead of coconut milk. Interesting. Curry pork, because I never eat curry pork yet. It tastes good. It's good. Not to like everything tastes good. Actually can't cook, man. I'm gonna grow good. That's why I should have a man and I don't. So I'm gonna finish this. I just finished V-La-Nessa. I'm gonna know for some reason I'm nervous. I'm gonna know if I catch everything. So I'm gonna start edit now and see how when I can put it together. I know I'm not gonna get to release it today. I'm gonna try to see if I can release it like Tuesday, because I'm a day off Tuesday. And then I'm gonna need to start edit this. But I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm gonna eat and then get something to drink. Tomorrow I'll probably cook the jerk chicken and rice and peas, because I want rice and peas. So I'm gonna come home and cook that. But I'm going to finish this, and then I think this is the end of it for today. Today is Saturday and it just long so long because I have today and I have not been giving you any content. So I'm saying, you know what? Today is the day. Today is the day. But anyway, later I'm gonna finish eat this. You wanna go to work today? Eh? You want to go work today? Today, not today. Every day is not the day. What? No, your mother? I call the shut already. You see her not quiet. What is this? I don't want to take out myself, come do it though. Too little of it and no.
Yeah, I feel like we could be so tight. We can fix it's gonna be alright. Do you feel me, baby? Look in my eyes, into my heart. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to find in the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Look in my eyes.
So, this is what you have to work in, you know? Snow, sun, rain,
storm.
what?
Storm.
Storm, snowstorm. And we have to do this because why? You want little money? Because why? We like nice things. Because why? Today is my day off. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday, and then I'm working tomorrow, and then I have a Thursday off again. Right now, I am editing my video that I did the other day for V-La-Nessa. But guess what? One of the files corrupt, and guess which file corrupt? The one that I screen record. So now I have to edit the video first, and then I have to watch it, and then screen record another one, and the struggle is real when it comes on to like editing and videoing and all those stuff. And when you see people like take a break, it's for their own mental health. Like, it's not easy. The fact that I put it in so much work because I'm saying like, hey, sorry, I haven't got a video for over a month now, and I am trying to manage 2 channel. And I'm the only one that's editing. I'm the one that videoing and all those stuff. And I'm working on top of it. So it's a bit hectic. And then this happened. So that is what I'm doing right now. So right now I just went through it. I edited the first part yesterday. And I come back now. And I was like, okay, maybe I can do the screen record with the video that I have. And I realized that it needs to be I need to do more editing before I can screen record, because if I don't edit it, then it's gonna mess me up when I'm screen recording. So no, that is what I'm doing. It is snowing outside like crazy. My roommate gone to gym. She should be coming now. I don't know because I see a bus come, so maybe I she. Snowing outside. I was invited out to go out and buy KC, and I'm like, you know what, I don't want to go because I need to focus on this. If I go on the road, then I'm not going to get this, and I want to get it out today, Tuesday. And I need to also make more videos. I need to be more intentional. I need to focus more so you guys can get more videos. So yeah, and I need to start editing my vlog. You understand? Because I'm already consistent. Why break it? I'm not going to break it. I'm not going to break the consistency. So yeah, I need to do that. So today I'm just focusing on editing, making content, and yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Not cooking today. I got up and I look about chocolate tea and an English muffin. I am good. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't know, maybe I go outside, take some pictures on the snow. I don't know, maybe. But for now, I want to ensure that where I am in the video, making the videos, and I have to edit on my laptop for this one because I'm going to connect the screen recording and everything, and Filmora does a better job than CapCut. So I have to do that on my laptop, and my laptop can be a little bit slow. Yeah. So I'm going to do that today. Focus on that, okay? Yeah. Anyhow, Thursday I'm going to do my roommate here. I asked for help. I'm going to see if we can do something in the evening though. So we're going to get up early and do our hair and see if we can do something, because we cannot be here not doing nothing. That doesn't make any sense. Like, there are lot of stuff to do around here, and we're just in the house. So no, we cannot do it. Can't do it. But next week for sure. You know what, let me tap in that, because every time I say I'm gonna make plans, it don't work out. So might as well I don't make no plans and just let things flow. Okay, because it seems like God just want flow in my life. Anyhow, I'll pick up back with you later and tell you the progress as it relates to the Sew with Nessa video. But for now, that's what I'm focusing on. So later. Today is not the day, like honestly, like today I planned that I was going to be very productive, and I've been productive because there you have it. I have the 2 laptops still running from morning. That one, the Sew with Nessa, I realized it when I was editing and trying to fix some stuff, like the voice around left the video. So I say, alright, I'm gonna unedit it, just remove all of the stuff that I fixed up, and just the thing that I put on top of over it. I'm just gonna export that so I can fix it in CapCut or whatever. And I exported an hour ago or 2 hours ago, and then when we check it now, it's like the voice still around left the thing. I'm like, what? So now I'm exporting again. So hopefully, please, God, may I beg you, please don't let the voice run, because it's not even like a little bit, it's a whole lot. And then now I'm editing this in the meanwhile. This is the vlog. And I said, you know what, let me take a break and go on TikTok, only to find out that I'm banned. Like what? Like why would I be banned from TikTok? Like what kind of violation did I cause? Like really, is it that somebody is reporting my videos for what? I don't know. Yeah, somebody can really hate me that much to report my video, like, may not understand. Is it that it's a shadow ban? Because I think if it's a shadow ban, that people would tell me, like you TikTok would tell me that it's a shadow ban. Like I'm this close to 10,000, even though I'm not working hard to it, but the fact that I'm this close to 10,000 and to be in the creator bundle and start making more money, more passive income, this is what happened. Not only that, I have money on the app that I didn't even transfer. I never, from all of the match them that I play and then all of the money then that we get from TikTok, may have it on the platform. I'm gonna take it off and only to know that I am banned. Anyhow, I emailed them. Hopefully them can resolve this, because I don't know why I get banned. I don't know, but so fingers crossed. But it just kind of irritating, and like things like this kind of piss me off. And then my belly's been hurting me, my back's still hurting me. Like today is not the day. Like honestly, it's not the day. No. And I'm trying to get this video out. I try to get this Sew with Nessa video out by today, and everything just had delay. Like, sorry for stressing you guys out, but you just have to see and understand the stress and the struggles me I go through. Like some days, like I wish I have me like a day off and me can just go somewhere and just not think about all of this. But because I want to be consistent, right? And these are the little hiccups that I have along the way, and it kind of irritating sometimes. So yeah, guys, right now I wonder if we just to hell with TikTok and just focus more on YouTube, even though TikTok pay me more. TikTok like pay way more. Like if I take TikTok serious, I honestly don't need to work, honestly. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna wait until that. It say it had 30 minutes to export, and this is why I stopped editing on the laptop now, because it takes too long to export. What I'm gonna do after we edit this, like after all of that come off and it good, I'm just gonna restart the computer. Like me, I gotta just wipe it up, give it a clean slate, and start again. That's what I'm gonna do with like laptop. And then eventually I'm gonna dash away and get a new laptop, because I don't want nothing stressing me. I don't want nothing stressing me. Anyhow, yeah, that's my 2 cents. Later, tomorrow, work tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Morning. Yeah, morning. Good morning. So, my day at work. Today Wednesday. Tomorrow Thursday, my day off again. Yesterday was my day off, and it's snowing. It's been snowing constantly. Let me show you outside. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so this is what I have to work in daily. So I was in that condo and I came out, and now I'm in this condo. Yeah, so we're gonna clean this, and then we have orientation in the middle of the season. Orientation. So that is what we're gonna do today. We didn't get that much work today, which I kind of like. We have pure 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, so easy in and out. So when we're done this, we just go to the orientation and we have one after that. So yeah, so that's it for today.
The way you took my hand and led me along the path where I should be, so I put you first. You tell me that's what you're worth. I know nothing compares to your ways, so for that I'll trust and obey. Your love is so ample in my life, and I know this because I am surrounded by all the people I love. There's no reason to cry, 'cause I know that you will hold us. Oh, I feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey, feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey. You can see the sparkle in my eye. With the love all around, it feels so right. And I will take this opportunity to share you. There's no way that I could ever repay you, 'cause I am surrounded by all the people I love. There's no reason to cry, 'cause I know that you will hold us. Oh, I feel you this Christmas. I feel you, hey.
I can feel the presence all around me. If love was made of water, I'd be drowning. I'm grateful that I'm here and that you found me. The way you showing love is astounding. Keep this moment, hit record, put the repeat on it. Keep it on, gotta keep it flowing. It's silent, but the love's outspoken. Yeah, the love's potent. Oh, never wanna leave. So good that it's hard to believe. Moments like this got me feeling right.
Look out a door. Shut up. Welcome to Vermont, where the snow is snowing. Look what my manager over there, so I come head. And where do farm man for me, manager? Eh? Where do farm man for me?
I have to take duty time.
You're fired. You say, you can't fire me because you never hire me.
But she might have said yes. You can't fire me because you never hire me.
You kind of look cute, you know. Thank God we good phone. Yeah, shaky. Yes, yeah. What you want cut here? Woo! Introducing Roxy Boo for the girl I must do. Yes. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Drop it down low. Yeah. But you're teary. You still hear some tear. Next. So, what's your rated?
I like the material, but it's thin.
It's thin?
Very thick.
That can wear it on long something.
Boots.
No, the jacket.
Yeah.
It's simple, you should dress it up. If you didn't dress it up, we could. Yeah, you can dress up. So I give it an 8. Yeah. I give it an 8 because it has potential.
Okay, how much I give it?
Yeah, same thing.
8?
I can dress up.
My next outfit.
Come.
Slightly corporate body.
We have one green shirt like that. But it's from Zara, not Fashion Nova.
Either way, they're cheap too. Anyways.
Zara is English brand.
Anyways.
You couldn't just be sitting them.
You
You don't be talking properly.
Come.
So you have clothes. You have clothes.
Rate.
Achoo.
Rate this.
You're not dressed up with things then, so rate. The shirt itself nice.
Good.
It's nice and it fit perfect.
Good.
So 7.5.
What should I rate it?
8.
8?
You feel like they're gonna be shamming at this situation now.
Everything?
We're gonna give pay bad.
Alright. Next.
That nice.
Yeah, nice.
Because
and
we
your
go
style
package.
I really package.
Patch
in a tight though.
it.
It's supposed to be a bandage dress.
You think it is supposed to be a zip? It's actually very tight. Do you want to tight on this?
It's
Yes,
nice.
because we want to done fast.
8.5.
Yeah.
They can't give it the same.
Why she can't give
9.
it? Why?
Because she too for the fashion.
9.
Yeah, and the hairstyle fitting. Princess, no, we got food first. Food always come first. Food, take the president first. The a liar tell. Lie. The bag is too big for them, a little bit of clothes. Oh, that nice.
And it feels good.
10 satin.
Yeah, that means
Same
it too.
like that.
Same thing. It actually, yeah, it feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels super comfy.
This a feel your body now.
Yeah.
This a feel good. Look good, me.
Alright.
Oh, that's why big because of this.
Cause of what?
The package.
It look
That
good.
nice.
I like it. But you told you know she did a winter place and on one winter show.
I know.
One
It's going to
minute.
be winter fever.
More each day, and I pray I can push my ego out the way. Let you know it'll be okay. Yeah. Whenever times get rough, you ain't gotta be tough. I found a way to go back in time. Found a way we can press rewind. So I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time. Oh, I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle.
On a date. Kinda nervous. But this don't look nice.
Yeah, put it on the dumpling.
So guys, we're gonna try the dumpling.
You sure? Yeah. You look hungry. Come eat something, man. Oh, you make stew peas?
I don't know if you prefer. Did you prepare, man? And then
Yes, come again, go look at it.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, man.
I got that tonight.
So lemonade. Lemonade. Thirsty?
Hey. They say it must be good for feedback.
Feedback? You need feedback? I forgot you
Yeah, back
some
pain.
kind of banana back.
No, you can't put the plate. This is they say woman I watch.
I won't pay for it. Are you?
You say answer my people. No, they want to charge by my
They might charge by people. What's your fortune for today, for Dama? Wait.
I'm not pull nothing more around with the man.
What are you doing with me, so? Actually, you have new friends.
Okay, so when you do make a mistake, do not treat yourself as if thought you were the mistake, even if you were the mistake.
Even if
Okay,
you are the
so
mistake.
again, when you do make a mistake, do not treat yourself as if though you were the mistake.
You can make the best of a bad situation. They make diamonds out of coal.
Aww.
So sweet.
What a cool.
A goal, me.
Oh, but wrong.
Push you up. Negative you want it.
Alright. Welcome each day as a fresh new beginning.
Repeat.
Welcome you each day as a fresh new beginning.
Okay.
What is your reason?
Busy empty.
If you ever empty the year, will be a man. A vision is not seeing things as they are, but as they will be.
Repeat?
The vision is not seeing things as they are, but as they will be.
Okay, that sounds good.
Meaning when you have a vision, it perish.
It would perish.
Without a vision.
Without a vision, the people shall perish.
People unfortunately.
Alright, the people might tell us so come down.
Imagine, come in a cold Vermont, come out in a sweater, sweatshirt. Come on, you can do it. But you do that with the luck. How are you feeling? Alright guys, so it's Friday and it's the end of this vlog, and I just want to close off this vlog. And I must say that this week wasn't a bad week. I did get a few stuff done, like I did the video for V-La-Nessa. I did racks in here. We went Walmart shopping. We went dinner, as you could see. It wasn't a bad week. We did had a few snowstorms, but that's expected. Yeah, I just want to close out the vlog, and I see all the new subbies, like big up on a nice clean self. If we are VPs from day one, put it in the comments down below, and you know, share with your friends and family. Like guys, I can't thank you enough for sharing the video, because I don't even care which one you share, but I do see that you guys been sharing, because every week I get close to 60 something shares. So you guys been doing a great job, and I love you guys. And wherever I go, I'm going to take you with me. And next week I'm going to do another video for V-La-Nessa. Yes, I have to do it, so I'm going to do it. I already have my notes and I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do part 2 of the randomization list. So if you have any question as it relates to the randomization list, do go over to V-La-Nessa and drop it under the most recent video so that I can answer it in the next video. So yeah, thank you for coming, and as always, share it to your friends and your families, and subscribe, like of the video, and share. Toodaloo!